Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
These kinds of questions are purely a current affair based question. Okay, it's see everything. See, first of all, we just look into the question. Afterwards, we will just get into the sources of this question. Okay, consider the following statement: Gujarat has the largest solar park in India. Okay, this is actually purely a factual part. Okay, next, Kerala has a fully solar powered international airport. This is also a factual statement. Goa has the largest floating solar photovoltaic project in India. This is also a factual statement. Okay, so without knowing about this factual data, you can't even touch this question. Okay, this is the main concern related to this question. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about the sources for this question. See, these all the three things are in the current affair. First, Rajasthan leads the solar installment capacity in India, which means the statement said it as a Gujarat, so that statement is wrong. Okay, next, Cochin International Airport, world's first solar powered airport. See, so the question also said it as a Kerala. Okay, so it is correct. Next, Andhra Pradesh now houses the India's largest floating solar power plant. See, so what I am saying is, now UPSC is like it is making us questions like some things are purely a factual part. Okay, and the previous question related to MSME, it is about the based on the numbers. Okay, usually UPSC don't play with any numbers because they make the questions in the prelims. It's more of a logical one. Okay, but some time period after 2019, the pattern of the question is totally changing. Okay, so they are play with the numbers also. Okay, so in MSME question they played with the numbers. Here they are playing with the purely a factual part of the question. Okay, all the three statements are about the factual thing. Okay, so this is somewhat tricky one. Without knowing it, you can't touch this question. Okay, that is the main thing behind this question. Okay, it's purely a factual part. Okay, so why this question is asked? That is the major question. Okay, because India set a target as 2022 for a renewable energy. Okay, they made a certain target for it. For that only they come with a plan called as renewable energy target capacity. Okay, by 2022. Okay, this thing was why in the news is all about a Paris Agreement. Paris Agreement is related to the climate change, in which India made a pledge or a commitment as nationally determined commitment. Okay, which means they are in the progress of net zero emission. Net zero emission of CO2. Okay, so for that they come with the idea is called as for getting into the net zero emission, you have to limit the fossil fuel emission. So you have to limit the fossil fuel emissions means you definitely go for a renewable energy source. Okay, so they set a target as with the time period of 2022, and they made a certain target for renewable energy, which says that 100 gigawatts of solar power, 60 gigawatts of wind power, 10 gigawatts of biomass power, 5 gigawatts of small hydro power. Okay, so these are the things they made it. Okay, these are the target they set. Okay, so it's this question is asked in 2022. Okay, so the government set a target as a 2022. So if you are whether you are aware of this, okay, for that only they made such a question. Okay, so if consider that if the 2024 prelims is approaching. Okay, in that scenario, if the government is setting any target of 2024, means you have to be more aware of it and you have to just cover everything about that. Okay, because the question will be like that only. Okay, this is the way you have to prepare. Okay, you just don't run around every current affairs. Try to find some of the most important current affairs. Okay, try to just grab that thing and try to update that things. Okay, that will help you to clear the prelims. Okay, so this is all about it. And that India is the fourth largest installed capacity of solar and wind power in the world, and the fourth most attractive renewable energy market in the world. Okay, these are the some factual things you have to memorize. Okay, so the first statement is wrong, which is actually Rajasthan. Okay, and second statement is correct, and Goa means it's wrong. Okay, it is Andhra Pradesh. So the answer is 2 only, it's B. Okay, so what I'm saying is, if the government is fixing any target, it's near to your prelims means. Okay, if it is 2024, you are going to go for a mains means whether the government have any targets in 2024. If you are going for a prelims in 2025 means you have to know about any targets related to 2025. You have to be more aware of it. Okay, they will make a question from that only. Okay.